How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Daily Vibes. All right, next, thank you everyone for that watched the video or commented. In my last one, I was talking about the cryptocurrency D race. Now we're gonna move to the stock market, and we're gonna talk about Tattooed Chef. Yes, so this by far is my biggest position in any of my investments. So I have a couple of them, and I named them in the last video. But yep, Tattoo Chef is my biggest position. Ticker symbol TTCF. I'm currently holding 500 shares. I've been actively buying the dips in this stock here and there whenever I have you know extra cash flow just laying around. I mean, this stock the stock's definitely been crazy. For those of you guys that don't know, Tattoo Chef is a plant-based vegan company. They're fairly new. I think they went public uh, last year sometime. I don't remember the exact date, but I mean, ever since then, it's been a roller coaster. I mean, I think I bought in at first at like maybe $18, maybe close to 19. Its all time high is like $28, and it's gone as low as from what I've seen like $15, and that's pretty recent actually. But yeah, been actively buying the dips. Bought in a couple times at 16. I even bought in to bring my cost average up because I'm very bullish in this company. Um, so yeah, some things to know about Tattoo Chef. They recently reported quarter three earnings. They had like over 50% growth. Uh, Still, I think they've missed earnings by a tad bit, but it doesn't change my mind. There's a lot of um, multimillionaire investors and just retail investors like you and I that are very bullish on the stock. So, um, you know, I'm going to continue investing in. I'm not sure if I want to grow this into a bigger position over 500 shares. If I do, I'll probably bump up to 1,000. But at this point now, like I'd probably have to buy in at about $15. I don't know if I can buy in at 16. My money is going to start being tied up into crypto. But yeah, a lot of exciting things coming for this company. This year they've bought out different, I guess, warehouses for some new product launch. There's one in New Mexico and one in I can't remember the name, and I'm not gonna edit this video, so um, don't want to steer you guys the wrong way. I'm thinking there was another one in California, but the most recent one that they bought out is for their to get outside of that frozen food company because then that's not what they're just all about. So they're going to they're going to start creating meal bars, you know, protein bars and all that. Starting, I think they're starting as early as 2022 is what they talked about. So that's very exciting. I don't see why not more people are investing in this company because they definitely have a lot of good things looking forward to them. But yep, let's go into the product. So, um, you know, after building a decent sized position in this company, I'm like, you know what, like let's go ahead and try some of these products. I've never been like a vegan person or any of that sort, but I think the first product I tried was their cauliflower pizza bowl. I tell you, like I'm not a big veggie person or anything, but like them bowls would be slapping. But yeah, they're good. So I had a couple of those. I had the acai bowl. I don't think I see it over here. Um, but yeah, I don't see it. But yeah, I had the acai bowl. The acai bowl was actually really good. But yeah, it's so hard to get the products. Like every time I went to my local Target or Costco. Like most of these products would be gone. Um, which understandable because they taste good. But yep. So yep, they got a few new products that came out. I heard the burrito bowl is really good. They have other pizza bowls. Yep, very excited for the protein bars that will be coming out here pretty shortly. But Yep. It's a little more information on. Oh, here's Acai Bowl. Oh, that's a different one though. But anyways, still good nonetheless. But yeah, a few more things on Tattoo Chef is yeah they're doing. I lost my train of thought. God dang it! Trying to brain fart. I really need to learn how to edit these videos to be honest, because this is gonna nip me in the butt. What was my train of thought? What I'm talking about. So I apologize. Just bear with me for 1 second. And probably move on from there. Yep, quarter two revenue growth rose 65.3% to 41 million. Quarterly net loss. Uh, so nothing too bad. So actually, I think we're all anticipating a very large drop in the stock because I'm trying to think of their competitor's name that got hammered. Beyond Meat, yeah, Beyond Meat got hammered during their quarterly earnings, and they've gone from like their all time highs, and they're sitting at like I think like 70, $80 a share now, something crazy. But from where it was before, like over 200, yeah, dramatic drop. But yeah, and then there were some other the same Spectre as Tattoo Chef. Some of the other ones got hammered too during earnings, but you know, this stock got heavily shorted, from my understanding, and we thought it was going to take a nosedive. I was ready to buy some more because I thought it was going to go down to like 15 again or $14 per share, but I mean it's held its ground. So um, yeah, I mean now there's a lot of short interest into it. So I guess we're anticipating some kind of short squeeze from what I've been seeing on Reddit and all that jazz. But I'm not. I'm in it for the long term, so I won't be selling out. The only way I'll sell out is if this thing like skyrockets to $100+ per share, and at that point I'll probably sell out and maybe buy back in when it drops back down. But yeah, I see this company definitely in the long term going to 200 plus per share. Also, by the way, I'm not a financial investor. I do this for fun. But yeah, I definitely see this going to $200 plus per share. So that is what I'm looking forward to in this company. But yeah, so lots and lots of exciting stuff coming for Tattoo Chef. Yeah, their marketing. I think there's a few things that they need to work on. Is definitely their marketing. I think they recently had like uh, some airtime on TV as far as advertisements. Not too many. I think that's maybe some concerns amongst investors, but I mean, and we're not really worried. We shouldn't be really too worried about the short term because this stock market. It's very weird. I mean, ever since I gone in, like the stock has gone up to like 25, and then it's went back down to 15, back up to like 20 something, and then back down to like 17. So, yeah, after a while, I just stopped paying attention to the price, and I'll be more engaged during 2022 because as I stated, that's when they're going to start ramping up a little more as far as like production and coming out with more SKUs, coming out with the meal replacement bars. I don't think exactly in 2022, but maybe somewhere along the line 2023. But I mean, this company moves pretty fast, so I mean they got into you know all kinds of SKUs in Target, and then recent into Kroger was the last one. They're in Costco, like all like fast, just fast paced. And I think that's why a lot of the higher end and investors are very bullish on the stock, just because on how fast it's growing, compared to most of the others in the plant based specter. This one definitely outperforms. But yeah, there's a lot more to talk about this, but I'm not gonna continue on because I'm not gonna edit this video, so I'm not gonna just sit here and just try to figure out stuff to talk about. I apologize. I'm trying to get better. If anyone has any suggestions on editing videos or platforms to use, etc., or what do you guys want to see more? Let me know in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Really helped me out in the YouTube algorithm, as people like to say. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.